It's DeeJayBe, and we're in the staircase of unboxing today. These two boxes contain horses that I do not collect. Since moving into the new house, I have obviously my large briar wall on display, and then I found a box of stablemates that I had tucked away, and like I never see them, I never look at them, I don't really collect them. I put them all out and I was like, man, some of these are really nice. So there is a handful of stablemates that get me excited and I actually enjoy. I have them displayed above my computer in my windowsill, and I look at them all the time because I spend a lot of time editing on the computer. I have kind of grown a small affiliation to them, and now I collect them, and here we are unboxing some of them. We're gonna see what they look like, and we'll see if this is a continuing hobby or not, but we'll start with this little one. I also have a small collection of classics. Same thing. Don't really collect it as a scale, but sometimes you get roped into it. It's so small. So cute. I do not remember this. So I had like a very specific stablemate wish list. It's like really hard to single them out. So this was one of them that I wanted to single out, and he's like such a pretty color. He's so cute. Look at him. I have a soft spot for this mold. This was one of my very first briars ever, was the little palomino on this mold. And then I don't remember what was in here. This one, I think her name is Coco. She's actually really cool. Part of my new recent affiliation has been glossy as well, which is unfortunate. I love marine love sculptures. It's one of my faves. So I'm on the train and it is going to nowhere. I don't remember what's in here. I really don't. I think this was like a collection. I hope this isn't one. I think it's one stablemate, guys. This thing is huge. It's one stablemate. This box fit two. This box fit one. This one I was really excited for. Wow. Look at him. This is, I know this one's name is Chalice, and he was one of the Collectors Club ones, but he's painted to look like the auction Alborozo from Briarfest that sold for like $20,000 or whatever it was. His mapping is crispy though. I've been kind of liking the stablemates a little bit because they're not so stupidly expensive. There's a little fun trio for y'all. So this is the little collection here. It's not super organized. I could do better. I've got a bunch of like little fun chase pieces. And just basically like any models that I like, but I don't like go too crazy. This one here is like one of my all-time faves. I love her. Thank you so much for watching, and happy collecting. Don't be like me and stick to the scale you actually collect.